Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. I'm going to show you how to set up your Sun Ninja canopy, so let's dive in.
To begin, let's look at the contents of the bag. I love how it comes with everything you need and it's very lightweight and compact. It actually weighs less than 10 pounds. And if you carry a lot to the beach like we do with 3 kids, chairs, and other accessories, this is definitely a plus. As you see right here, the instructions are on the bag. It also comes with a nice shovel. The poles are already in their bags, and everything is nice, neat, and compact. Here's a close-up of the contents. It comes with poles, shovel, drawstrings, stakes, and the canopy itself, and you can see in the instructions on the pole bag. Begin by stretching out the canopy into a big X shape, and then put some of the sand into the bags. I usually fill them up about 25% of the way to give it some weight so that you can move the canopy where it needs to be. I found that stretching them out as far as possible and then filling them up completely works well. I also put them back into the holes that I made from digging, and that seemed to work best. If you have found value in this video so far, you could like and subscribe to the video, and that would greatly help me out. Then you will take the poles and place them about 6 inches from the seam. You might have to move these after you see the wind. It was a little windy when I put this one up, but you can adjust it for your own wind situation. This right here is what it will look like if you have 2 poles, and then I'll also show you what it will look like with 4 poles. Next, you will put the drawstrings on the tops of the poles to help hold them on, and here is a close-up of what this looks like. You might have to move the poles again to adjust for the wind direction. As you can see, the poles are approximately 6.5 feet, but if the sand is soft, the poles will sink into the sand and you'll lose some height on your tent. I normally stuck the poles into the ground and then also adjusted the corners. So my overall perspective on the tent is that the positives are it's pretty light and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to set up, and the price is pretty good. $150 is a little expensive, but it is very convenient. The only negatives I've seen that the clearance is only about 6 feet, and if it's windy, it doesn't work extremely well. But overall, I do recommend it. Well, thank you so much for checking out this video today. If this was helpful, I'd love for you to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments section below. I'd love to help you out with that as well. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.